At first, the bicycle chainring became loose and started moving. Instead of replacing the whole part, a simple adjustment was made to tighten it. After that, the chainring was firm again and the bicycle worked perfectly. Next, there was a damaged screw that could not be removed because its head was stripped. A nail was placed on top of the screw and tapped gently with a hammer. Then a drill was used to turn the screw, and it came out easily. Finally, a clever zip tie trick was shown. A small metal block was placed over the zip tie and used as a lever to pull it much tighter. This simple method makes the zip tie stronger and gives a more secure hold. These easy DIY tricks can save both time and money.